Inside of your Effects and Presets panel, you'll find tons and tons of ways to change your still images and your videos. I'm going to go ahead and just move some of this stuff down so we can take a look at what's inside of this panel. Well, you can find things in two ways. You can twirl these categories open, or you can search for what you're looking for in this field here. It's very easy. So if you're looking for the cartoon effect, simply type CAR, and it should show up in this list. As you can see, you don't have to type the full word, just type a first few letters and then you'll get what you want. I'll go ahead and hit the X to go back to the list. To give you an example, follow along by opening up Hannibal that you'll find inside of your Work Files folder. And we're going to try some of these guys here in the Distort and the Stylize category. I'll twirl open Distort, and as you can see, there's tons and tons of options in here. Let's see, let's go ahead and try Liquify. We'll go ahead and literally drag it right on top of the artwork. And we could just stay right here actually and start to sculpt. So we can interactively change the deformation of whatever we have in here. This is great when you want to do a caricature of a person, or if you just want to make something fatter or thinner. As you can see here, I'm adding a little bit more bulk. And I'm simply moving the pixels around. I can add muscle, I can remove muscle, I can do all kinds of cool stuff. Just by using this filter here. Now this works pretty much the same way it does inside of Photoshop. Let's go ahead and add another one. We're going to add one right on top of this guy. We're going to go ahead and use Mirror. I'll drag Mirror over here. And what it's going to allow me to do is simply have a reflection of this elephant underneath it or wherever I'd like. I can use this dial. And as you see, when I move the dial, I can choose where the mirror is going to occur. And I can even move the mirror effect down. So let me go ahead and put this on 90 by entering 90 in the hot text field and hitting enter or return. Then I'll grab the reflection center little icon here and I'll click where I want it to go. So as you can see, I can either click on it here or click where I want it to go like so. Very, very cool. Let's see what else we have here. I think we will choose, let me go back to the Stylize menu this time. And let's try something called Kaleidoscope. This is kind of cool. So it's Kaleidoscope. Drag it right on your artwork and you have an instant kaleidoscope. You can choose what you're going to have in here. I can choose Unfold, Wheel, Fish Head, all kinds of stuff in there. Now what I'm going to do is do one that's really kind of fun. I'll turn off the kaleidoscope by clicking here. Mr. Smoothie. I mean, Adobe has some great names for these things. Wiggler, Smoother, Mr. Smoothie, awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this right here on top of the artwork again. And as you can see, I get this kind of glacier kind of feel to the artwork. And I can use this little dial here to change how that looks. So I can turn my elephant into the Terminator from Terminator 2. He's now liquid metal. Very epic. And that's just an example of some of the many, many presets that you'll find living inside the Effects and Presets panel.